sabi ko sa iyo, yung magandang asang ko, ikulong mo yan. Ayun, 7 ka na. O pagpatuloy mo yung pinagisan mo ka, magandang asa, mahal ka namin na lola at lolo mo.
Happy birthday, Sky! Wishing you good health and aral mabuti, makinig lagi kay Mami. Happy birthday, Belle. Love you.
I wish for Sky to have good health, to be obedient, to listen to grandparents, and to have good grades when she finishes school. Happy birthday, Kai. Wishing you a day filled with love and laughter. May your wish come true.
Happy birthday, Kai Kai! Wishing you a healthy and happy life. Always choose to be a good person and listen to your parents and ate. Happy birthday!
To my beautiful classmate, Queen Sky, I hope that you will always be happy. Happy birthday, Kai Kai. I wish you good health and good life.
Palagi mo lang tatandaan, wala ka man nang meron sila, meron ka naman na wala sila, at kayo yun.
Happy birthday! Love you!
Happy birthday, Sky!
Good birthday, stay humble. Yun lang, happy birthday. Hi Sky, happy birthday.
I wish you all the best in life, na mag-aral ka mabuti, tsaka lagi ka sanang makikinig sa amin ni Papa, and we love you, sobra, and happy birthday!
Iba ang sarap sa Jollibee, yeah! Iba ang saya sa Jollibee, yeah! Ang sarap sa Jollibee, iba ang saya sa Jollibee. Ito talaga ang Jollibee's party na gusto ko for my birthday. Dahil nandun sa Jollibee, hooray! Iba ang sarap sa Jollibee, yeah!
Wish ko lang po kay Ate Trini good health and stay happy always. And stay what you are. I love you. Yee!
Happy birthday po, Auntie. Wish ko sa'yo na sana'y tumagal pa po yung buhay mo.
Happy birthday, Lola Tin! Wish ko humaba pa ang buhay mo and also pagpatuloy niyo lang po yung pagiging mabuting tao and of course, wishing you a good health.
Ayan, welcome sa discounted age. Senior kasi. Salamat sa lahat ng tulong sa Dubai. And we're grateful to have you. We love you and happy birthday.
Mama, happy birthday! Thank you po kasi napakabait mo at maalaga. I hope you always strong at healthy, pretty and young pa rin kahit senior ka na. Pero hindi naman po halata. And more birthdays to come po. I love you.